Welcome back. Thanks for joining me again. You've done a great job so far as we've gone through our discussions on AWS. We went through all of our core services and talked about how we manage users with IAM, how we use S3 for bulk storage, how we use EC2 for compute, and a VPC for our virtual networking. And then we also talked about RDS. Then we started to talk about monitoring and managing our services. We talked about SNS as a notification service, and we looked at CloudWatch and CloudTrail as management tools. Then we moved into how do we optimize our environment? How do we load balance? Can we implement things like scalability and elasticity? And that led our discussions into elastic load balancers and auto scaling. So now it's time for us to move into Route 53. Route 53 provides us domain and DNS services within the AWS environment. So let's go ahead and jump into our topic. So our discussions in this section are going to be about Route 53. We're going to go through an overview of Route 53. We'll talk about DNS servers. We'll talk about how your computer locates a web server. We'll look at registering a web domain, and we'll talk about how you configure Route 53 to use a domain. So I'm looking forward to getting started. We're going to go ahead and end this video here so we can jump into our first topic, Route 53 basics. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.